Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George.
The Dog and the Oyster. Once upon a time, there lived a dog. Now, this dog had an appetite for eggs. Raw or cooked, the dog would gobble it all in no time. He simply loved to eat eggs. All the time, he would have nothing but eggs, be it morning or afternoon or evening. Most of the times, the dog would go to see a hen in the morning. The eggs the hen laid would be eaten by the dog. Many times, the dog would become greedy and eat all the eggs the poor hen laid. And even then, he would want more eggs. One day, after all the eggs were eaten by the dog, he decided to roam around. As he was roaming around, he found his way by a seashore. He spied and sniffed along the coastline. As he sniffed around, he found a fascinating object. It looked round and beautiful. The round object even shone. Upon closer inspection, the dog realized he had never seen anything like that before. Since it was round, the dog instantly thought it was an egg, and that he could eat it. Without wasting a moment, the dog swallowed it, thinking it was an egg. But what did the dog know that it wasn't an egg, but an oyster? He hadn't even looked at it properly. Obviously, the poor dog became ill. His stomach ached, and the poor dog could hardly move. And that's when the dog realized that he had eaten something wrong. After a lot of pondering, the dog came to the conclusion that the round object surely wasn't an egg. Because if it had been an egg, his stomach would have ached. So, from that day onwards, the dog never jumped at things without thinking. And he realized that not all round objects are eggs.